He was arrested on the 1st of July 2008 after the public hearing inquiring into the 19.5 billion naira aviation intervention fund. But it was in December of the same year that the money laundering case first came to the Federal High Court. Before Justice Ramat Mohammed, the former aviation minister Fani Kayode was arraigned on a 47-count charge of laundering 99 million naira. He had pleaded not guilty and was admitted to bail in the sum of 200 million naira with two sureties in like sum. The case was stalled after the judge rejected in evidence the computer-generated bank statements of accounts of Mr. Fani Kayode. The EFCC promptly went on appeal amidst calls for the reform of the Evidence Act. The Court of Appeal in its ruling set aside the decision of the trial court. Back at the Federal High Court, the former aviation minister was rearranged before Justice Binta Mutala-Nyako in 2010, following the transfer of Justice Mohammed from the Lagos Division. Again, he was rearranged before Justice Ophelia Jumagobia in February 2013 after the transfer of Justice Mutala-Nyako to the Jos Division of the court. The EFCC amended the charges from 47 to 40, and after Mr. Fani Kayode made a no-case submission, insisting that the charges disclosed no offense committed by him, Justice Ophelia Jumagobia last year dismissed 38 out of the 40 counts. It was on the remaining 2 counts, totaling 2.1 million naira, that the court gave its judgment. After reviewing the evidence of 6 witnesses, 4 for the EFCC and 2 for the defense, the court found that the anti-graft agency failed to prove its case against Mr. Fani Kayode beyond reasonable doubt. His supporters celebrate the judgment in court. Reading from a prepared speech, the former minister thanked God, the judiciary, his associates, and the Nigerian people who chose to believe in him.
In the last 7 years, I have been subjected to the most malicious, vicious, sinister, well-orchestrated, insidious and devastating form of political persecution and wickedness. The whole process almost destroyed my life, my family, my reputation, my health and my career. I thank God for His goodness, His mercy, and for the fact that today, the whole nightmare has finally come to an end.
We as a commission will sit down and look at the judgments, and then we'll take a decision, a corporate decision on the judgment. That's all I have to say.
Though the case lasted 7 years, it only took Justice Ophelia Jumagobia 2 years to hear and determine it. And for this, she commended the dexterity of the prosecution counsel, a testimony to the fact that criminal trials could indeed move faster if lawyers are alive to their responsibilities. Shola Shoyeli, Channels Television News.